Hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell Canva templates. And right now, as you can see, I'm currently inside Canva. I know you're very familiar with this one. And if you're not familiar, I have a full discretion or a full beginner tutorial on how to use Canva and an advanced tutorial with it. So please check them out. Now we're going to tackle a lot of things here, so please take your notes, open up your notepad, get a pencil, a paper, or a pen, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do right now is basically go to Canva. And now once you're inside Canva, you're going to need to have an idea. What are you going to sell? Are you going to sell a ebook? Are you going to sell a planner, a portfolio, or a cover book or a book cover, something like that? And once you have your idea, you need to know what's the licensing all about. So let's cover this licensing on this website. So right now, this is going to be the licensing of Canva. It's going to be by your own discretion if you really look into it, dive with it. But with this video, I'm going to highlight a certain part here. So selling templates. So as you can see right here, unless it's a template created for use on Canva, you can't use pro content in the templates or of any nature. If you're a template designer, check out how you can join our Canva Creators Program. Anyway, that is going to be the licensing. So please check it out before you proceed further. Because it's going to be a waste of time if you create a template and it's not really up to the standards or the license of Canva, right? So please tackle this first. So welcome back to the video. Right now, we're going to create our own template. Now, speaking of template, as I said earlier, we need to have an idea. May it be ebook, a book cover, a portfolio, or any templates right there. Simply click on this design and you're going to have a lot of things going on. As you can see, we have a photo collage, a photo book, a resume, a phone wallpaper, an ebook cover. So for this video, I'm going to cover ebook cover right there, and we will be inside this option. So this is going to be inside of the editing platform of Canva, and right now you're going to see all of the templates that corresponds with our requests. As you can see right here, the templates for ebook are right here. For all of the results, these are from previous owners that I've been selling in Canva as of now. As you can see right there are a lot of things to do here. So I suggest do not copy everything here. It will catch you in copyright and the licensing will not agree with it. I suggest creating one on your very own. So start from scratch, do it with a background color first, something like that. Or something light. And with that, if you're really having time on starting with this, let's just say book cover sample. So technically as a sample, this is going to be my cover. Just a visual aid for our discussion. And now, once I'm having a hard time, I really don't have any idea what to work with. I do not have the skills on how to create a template. So don't be afraid, don't panic. I have a second option for you guys. So let's outsource our troubles. Speaking of outsourcing, there are a lot of things or platform we can use to. One of which is going to be Fiverr. I'm going to go to it right now. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be inside Fiverr. And simply type in Canva template on the search bar right there. And these are the suggested. As you can see, I will convert your PSD, AI, InDesign files into editable Canva templates. I will create Canva Instagram templates for a beautiful feed. So much more right here. So there are a lot of people, technically there are freelancers, or these are freelancers, that you can outsource your job and let them create your very own Canva template. And once you're good with this one, of course, we can use a template for our very own uses. Now, for example, let's just say that this is going to be the template that the freelancer or the outsource gave us. And by the way, before I proceed, there are a lot of websites to outsource your troubles. One of which is Fiverr. We have online jobs, and of course, the most famous one is Fiverr and Upwork. So that being said, once you're here, we're going to talk about how to prepare before you sell it. Because you just can't sell it as it is. You need to prepare it, input some security, and so much more. Now, I want you to click on the share button right there. As you can see, there are a lot of things going on here. You can copy the link with the only access. You can download on this option. You can click on share on social with this option. You can print on Canva and so much more here. If I click on more, you're going to see this template links, ascend to phone, and so much more options. So the only one option that I want you to click here would be template link. And why is that? Because if you give the link on this exact Canva template, they can edit whatever's inside your template, steal it. That's going to be the worst case scenario. Change it a little bit and then steal the idea. But if you gave them this option, for example, the template link itself, they cannot change anything. They can only view and download the exact template. So I suggest click on the template link, like so, and then you can create a template link from here. This link can be deleted at any time. That is what's awesome about this one, because it's not a permanent link. You need to generate some links if some customer purchase your template. That's going to be the idea there. Now, once your template is going to be prepared and secured, let's talk about where to sell it. Of course, we cannot sell it on online jobs, Upwork, or Fiverr. We're going to need some websites. So right now, I'm currently inside Google Docs, and you might ask me what am I doing here? We're selling templates. How come I'm inside a Google document? So before I get started here, you can use either Google Docs or Microsoft Word to proceed on this feature or this part of the video. Anyway, just simply click on a blank document, and I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be my purpose, basically creating an invoice. A sales customer always wants its invoice or receipt. So for example, this is how you give your link. You just don't really email the link as it is. We need an invoice or a service or a receipt. So these are sample invoice or a receipt here with some following steps. So thank you for purchasing, something like that. And then sign up to Canva for step 1, create a copy of the template with this link. So again guys, the link in here would be our template link. It's not gonna be the link to your Canva template itself, but a template link. Just want to highlight that. So I suggest for step 3, of course, tell here or let them know that download limit rather, sorry about that, download limit of 10 downloads, and that's it. So once they reach a 10 download, you're gonna delete the link, and they can never access this one more time. Anyway, you can edit this one, of course. I'm not saying just send it as it is. You can edit, for example, you can change the color here. You can bold the letter, increase the font size. It's really up to your preference. Again, guys, this is going to be an invoice on how to prepare on selling your Canva template. So again, the first on the list is going to be Payhip, an all-in-one platform where you can sell your digital downloads, online courses, your coaching, your physical products, and memberships. And I think among the list that I'm going to give you right now, Payhip is the one to go to. It's just like Fiverr, but it's going to be the other way around. Rather than selling your services, you're going to sell your products here. Now, this is going to be Gumroad. So Gumroad is second on the list because I don't like one feature here, wherein you need to reach a certain criteria, a quota, before you can cash in your savings or your sales. For example, if I posted my template here, even though it's going to be featured in the staff picks option, I really cannot earn some money or my sales until I reach a certain amount or reach a certain sale quota. That is one of the cons there. Either way, it's a very good website. And now on the last one, it's going to be called Etsy. So for Etsy, it's just like Pinterest if you're familiar with Pinterest. And the first one, the Payhip. But for this one, mostly for this are going to be the print for your shirts, your mugs, your candles, your books. It doesn't really sell templates, but it's also a good website to sell your templates here. I think they also have PayPal here. And the thing is, they don't have a quota here. However, it's going to be on the bottom of my list because templates for your Canva templates are not really sold much here. For example, if I type Canva template right here, you're going to see a very few results. As you can see right there, they're not really that much. Anyway, that being said, let's go back to Canva. Now, once we're here, before I wrap up this video, I really want to give you some tips on how to secure or fully secure your template. So one of which is downloading a certain tool. I think it's going to be called Security.io. I really don't have it as of now, but what it does is it gives you or notifies you on how much or how many downloaded your template link, like this one. So on that simple click of a button or on the simple click of a button right here, you can remove the access of that certain link, which is you can delete the link at any time so people cannot really abuse it. Because, for example, one guy just bought your template link and then they give it out to other people, you're losing your sales there. Basically, that's it. So I suggest installing some third-party application or be really aware on how much people download it, and simply, if you reach the limit of the download, simply delete the link. Easy as that. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.